Here are the tarot and planetary predictions for Taurus 2026. For you Taurians, 2026 is not asking you to rush. It is asking you to build wisely. We have the Hierophant card for you, which means that there is going to be a commitment in your life. This is going to bring in marriages for singles, those who have been waiting for commitment in their relationship. It's going to come this year. Over the last few years, you might have felt stuck in your routines that no longer inspire you. There could be pressure from family or societal expectations, but this year pushes you towards serious commitments and also challenges that you were having slight self-doubt as to whether you can proceed or not. There's going to be long-term planning. Career-wise, tarot also gives you a universal guidance that there's going to be respect coming in, and you will start seeing visible changes from mid of March 2026. Secondly, we have the Ace of Pentacles. So this card brings real, tangible new beginnings for you. In and around mid of 2026, you will receive a new income opportunity, a business or investment idea. You can also pursue your hobby as a profession in and around this time. There can be an inheritance, property or savings that is going to come to your rescue during this timeline. It also indicates improved health routines and a stronger sense of security during 2026. And you are also going to build something that is going to last for years together. We have the Temperance card for you, which is going to build balance, patience, and emotional maturity. So overall, this card is asking you to be patient throughout, because healing happens gradually. No extremes are going to work out for you, and balance becomes your greatest strength. Overall, 2026, you should be careful about not overworking, and do not suppress your emotions, and do not ignore your body signals. Also remember that success comes when you move at a steady, peaceful pace. Some of the cosmic alignments that can affect Taurus in 2026, we have Jupiter in Leo from 26th of May 2026, which activates your 4th house. So this highlights home, buying a new asset, a new property, and also if you are undergoing any legal concerns regarding family matters, that can get resolved during this timeline. There will be more emotional security, strong focus on inner peace. This is also a good time to start investing in properties, but again, be short term. Do not go for long term, like for a year or two. Maximum up to a year, you can go for investments. It is also a good timeline to strengthen family bonds. We have Saturn in Pisces almost throughout 2026, which affects your 11th house. So this is going to bring in reality checks in friendships, in your social circle, and also how you pose yourself as a human being, as in how people are going to value you. This is also a time for making serious long-term goals, because Saturn is a planet of structure and discipline. Some connections may fade, but only to make room for meaningful alliances. To elevate this period, you can wear emerald or green aventurine to get abundance and also for luck to favor your end during this time. Let's see how eclipse is going to impact you in and around March, August and September 2026. So these eclipses are going to affect your 5th house, which mainly deals with creativity, children and love, and also your 11th house, which is for goal making, networking and future plans. There can be sudden positive shifts in your love life and creative projects, so don't hesitate to take that leap. And also avoid impulsive decisions 3 days before and after the eclipses. To manifest positivity during this timeline, you can also do a bay leaf ritual. So you can just write your intention in a bay leaf with a red color pen on any Sunday around this time and burn it in a candle. So this will help you for manifesting much more positively and staying positive during the Mars retrograde and also during these eclipses.